I am taking you guys on a tour of a fabulous penthouse at 3525 Turtle Creek. It is the oldest, most established building on Turtle Creek, built in 1957. This is over 5,000 square feet. It is an absolute stunner. Stay tuned for the video and I'll take you on the tour. Okay, are you ready? Today I'm going to take you on a very special tour. We're going to see 3525 Turtle Creek Boulevard. This building is so special because it's the oldest building on Turtle Creek. It was built in 1957 by Howard Meyer. This particular unit is the penthouse. It is unit 22A. Needless to say, it has spectacular views from the 22nd floor. This unit is 5,123 square feet. It is listed by Judy Sessions of Briggs Freeman Sotheby's. She was so gracious to take us around and spent a lot of time with us. I did not realize, but I'm a little bit more familiar with this unit than I thought. So this unit was designed by Lloyd Paxton, and then it was recently refreshed by a company called Renowned Renovation. I know Renowned Renovation because they redid my condo. So it's got some of the flavor from Lloyd Paxton, but then some of it has been brought up to date. For example, the kitchen has been updated. Some of the rooms have been updated. There's a study with a media room with a beautiful lacquer kind of teal paint. Unfortunately, the weather was not great when I was filming. There's a lot of glare, and I am not a photographer or a filmmaker, so I'm sorry that the lighting was kind of off. But this is such a special unit. So to continue, 5,123 square feet. The HOAs on this one are $6,430 a month. Again, full service building. You're getting all the things in here, which are great. You do get to live in a penthouse. It does have 3 bedrooms, 4 baths. It has 3 living areas and 2 dining rooms. So this is what I would call an entertainer's dream, an entertainer's paradise. There's a lot of space. Okay, so the takeaways for me personally, I always try to get something very special and unique to each unit that I show to you guys. So the 2 special places in this particular unit for me, along with I just think it looks very, very unique. I've never seen another condo that's decorated this way. It's really special. So there is a living area. It's like an enclosed terrace with vaulted ceilings. And this is the part that Renowned Renovation refreshed. It had a curved ceiling with windows at the top, and then they replaced that with a pitched glass ceiling. It's spectacular. You have to be inside of it to actually feel how special it is. The ceilings, I'm guessing, I don't know, they might be like 15 or 20 feet. And it's just, you're inside of like a glass terrarium. I mean, it's crazy. And then you're overlooking the Vendome, which is the French style condo next door, which is pretty much their rooftop. And you're looking west. So you would get spectacular sunsets here in Texas. I just think it's so, so cool. I have never seen anything like that. And they have their own bar in there, and there's a huge baby grand piano. So you can just see or envision the fun parties that these people must have had when they lived there. And I'm sure it would be so fun to envision the fun parties that you would have in there. So that's one of the special things in there. And then the other one that I thought was really special, they have a small balcony off of the primary bedroom that's partially enclosed. It's open air, but it's kind of covered on the top, and there is a hot tub. They're calling it a spa. Call it what you want. It's a hot tub, guys. You have a hot tub on your balcony. It's pretty cool. And then they've got a flat screen TV and then a sitting area, and it's all done in kind of like the inch tall turf. So I don't know, take that as you may. I kind of think that would be super cool. Like, who doesn't want to be on a hot tub in the penthouse of your balcony? I just think it's really, really cool. There are plenty of spaces. There's also a small media room that's very cozy that has teal lacquer with bookshelves. It's very small and cozy. I just love that these large units can come up with ways to not make it feel overwhelming. The entertaining areas are really expansive, very huge, vaulted ceilings, mirrored, gorgeous views. And then when you get back into the bedrooms, it becomes much smaller and intimate. So I think that's what makes this one so special. I think this one's really spectacular. Let me know in the comments, is this a condo that you would want to live in? What do you like? What do you hate? This is Kendall Travis with Dave Perry Miller. I am your condo high-rise luxury specialist here in Dallas. And if this is your first time to the channel, be sure, tap the bell and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to bring you guys all the special condos that are hitting the market here in Dallas. I would love to help you find a condo if you are coming from Dallas, Chicago, New York, LA, wherever you're relocating from. If you're looking for a condo, I'm your girl. I live in a condo. I live in Turtle Creek. This is pretty much all I do. So I live and breathe it, and I absolutely love it. I want you to love this lifestyle as much as I do. So be sure and stay tuned and let me know what you think about this condo. The price for this one is $3,750,000. So what do you think about the price? $3,750,000 for 5,123 square feet. When you see this and you get a feel for how tall the ceilings are and how grandiose is the only thing I can think of to describe it, I don't know. I kind of think it's a good deal. So let me know your thoughts. Give me your comments below. Okay, so what was your favorite part about the condo? You guys have to pick a room. So I want you guys to start commenting below. If you had to pick a room out of this condo, what's your favorite room and why? Stay tuned for the next video.